How to continue selling when out of stock in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on this option, and it's just going to basically work for each individual product that you set this to. So it's very easy and simple. You simply just want to log into your Shopify admin and you just want to go to products. Then you're just going to basically select the product that you want to continue selling after if it's out of stock basically. So I'm just going to go for the first one. And you want to scroll down until you find the inventory option here, and you basically just want to make sure that the inventory is tracked. And then afterwards you're just going to be able to find this option here, which is sell when out of stock. It's going to be off by default. You just want to basically click on it and make sure that it is checked. Now that this is checked, you can just click on save and you are pretty much good to go. But this is only going to apply to this specific product. So if you have multiple different products that you want to do this for, you're basically just going to have to go through them one by one. And if it's variants, for example, like for this one, you're not going to be able to find the inventory tab right away. You just want to click on the actual variant itself and then do the option from there. So you're just going to be able to find it in here. Click on sell when out of stock. Make sure you toggle this on. Click on save and then just move on to the next variant as well. I believe you are going to have to do them separately. As you can see, click on save, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Now, if you have a lot of different products that you are going to have to go through them one by one, what you can do instead is just select all of them, and you're just going to be able to find bulk edit. Make sure you click on that, and then you simply just want to click on columns from the top right, and scroll down until you find the option continue selling when out of stock. Make sure you toggle this on, and this is just going to be added to the columns if you just scroll down. So it's going to be this one right here. You can just basically now toggle all of them on like so if you want to. It's just going to make things easier for you, and you can click on save. And that's pretty much all we need to do to continue selling even if it's out of stock. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.